Hey, good morning from sunny, warm, beautiful southern Nevada. Hey, I was in my local gun shop the other day, and man, he had a very nice used Walther PPQ 22 pistol. I looked at it, fell in love with it. So take a look at that beauty. Got it for a very decent price. Mine actually came in the case with 3 magazines. And these are 12-round magazines, by the way. But I'll tell you what, when I picked this one up, I instantly fell in love with the grip on it. And man, it just feels really nice. I got my son over here. I'm just gonna shut up and shoot. Let's start off with some stilt plates at about 15 yards. Ooh, I'm gonna like this.
Nice.
Well, so what do you think of that so far?
I really like the sight on it.
Yeah, I like that side here. Go ahead and just point that down. Here, point it. Yeah. Here, twist your wrist a little bit so the camera can look at it. There you go. I don't know if we can see that or not, but I do like the sights on it.
Oh, on the ground.
You ting that pretty good, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
That's about the second time I've dropped that magazine. So I think that's just a little too big for my fat thumb. I'm just hitting that, but something I need to be aware of. It's not the fault of the gun. I just need to keep my thumb up a little bit higher.
Got it.
Hey guys, real quick, we had to stop shooting this. We had a case rupture while my son was shooting, and check this out. And I'll show you some better video here in a moment. But let me show you what happened. And I caught it on video, but just a couple of seconds. So watch this here. You'll notice my son will flinch slightly. And that's because he got blasted in the face. And you'll also notice that the slide does not come back. Up. Up. So unfortunately I turned off the camera, and well, we found this ruptured case, and then we started picking up empty cases that we had fired, and man, every single one of them were bulged at the head of the cartridge. And when I got home I took some video, so check this out. Now here's the one that ruptured. This was a Winchester Super X. was also shooting CCI. We fired Remington. And we were also shooting federal ammunition. Okay, so anyways, after this happened, I went home and I called Walther, and they was pretty concerned about it. They said they was going to send me a shipping container or a shipping box, and they want me to ship this back to them. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, some of you might be thinking, why didn't you just make this video after you got the pistol back? Well, because this is pretty serious, and if you have one of these, you need to know about it, okay? And I will do an updated video once I get this back from Walther. And anyways, I tell you what, I love the pistol, but I'm really disappointed right now. So watch for an updated video in the future, guys. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Alright, so I sent my pistol back to Walther, and 10 days later, bam, I get it back. So very impressed with that, Walther. Thank you. I do want to clarify something though. In the first segment I said Walther was going to send me a shipping box or shipping container. That was not correct. They actually emailed me a shipping label, a FedEx 2-day label. And I printed that out, sent this back. Didn't cost me anything. So thanks for that too, Walther. So anyways, I'm anxious to test fire this. Going to put a few rounds through it, test fire it. If everything looks good, we're just going to have a little fun. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to fire 2 rounds of Winchester Super X, and I'm going to pick up the cases and take a look at them, see if they're going to be bulged. I kind of doubt it, but that's the first test we're going to do. But before we do that, I want to show you a couple of before and after photographs of the barrel. Now here's the old barrel, the original barrel, and as you can see, it has a pretty deep feed ramp here at the mouth of the chamber. And right there is where the cases were bulging. Here's the new barrel they put in. Look at that, big difference. Basically no feed ramp at all. Again, old barrel, new barrel. All right, let's fire these 2 rounds and see if I can find at least one of them, and we'll take a look. Oh, that is warm. Of course, I knew it would be, but oh yeah, that hopefully that will focus, but that looks perfect. Look at that. All right, good job, Walther. All right, happy about that. The case is no longer bulging. My concern now, though, is a lack of a feeding ramp on this chamber. Is that going to cause feeding problems? Well, we're going to find out right now. I have 12 rounds in this magazine. I've got CCI, Federal, and Winchester. I've just got 4 rounds of each, mix it up, threw it in here. I've got round nose, hollow points, copper plated, and plain lead bullets. So let's fire 12 rounds, see if we have any problems. All right, you know what? We're just going to have a little fun now. You know, one thing I've noticed is this barrel's not quite as accurate as the original. But then again, it is a new barrel. Maybe it just needs to be broke in. I think I'll try a few headshots. Yikes. Now, if you watch a lot of my videos, you know that group should be a lot tighter than that. All right, let's try the old GoPro on a stick trick. Yeah. Hey, you know, so far I'm not real impressed with the accuracy on this new barrel. So I'm going to do another little test here. I have my Taurus TX22 chambered in 22 long rifle. So I'm going to shoot this along with my Walther. I'm going to fire 8 rounds using the same ammunition, Winchester Super X, 40 grain round nose copper plated bullet. My target down there, you'll see those little black targets up there by the head. I'm going to shoot the one on the left with the Walther, then I'll shoot the other one with the Taurus, and then we'll go down and take a look. Walther did pretty good. Let's go check it out. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here's the Taurus shooting a little low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I did pull that one. Honestly, the Taurus does shoot a little tighter group, but you know what? I can't complain about that. All right, let's continue shooting. You know, I've noticed the more I shoot this, the more accurate the barrel gets, so apparently it just needs a little breaking in. I do have a couple plates set further out. I'm going to shoot a couple of rounds of Winchester Super X 40 grain round nose. Let's try that again. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm going to hang it up. It's getting pretty hot out here in this hot Nevada sun. But I'll tell you what, I love the pistol. It's getting more accurate the more I shoot it. I love the way it shoots. I love the way it fills. I do want to talk about the warranty real quick. Now, when you buy this brand new, it comes with a 1-year warranty, but it only covers the original owner. Now, when I called Walther, I told him I bought a used pistol, and you know what? They fixed it anyways. Didn't cost me 1 penny, and I'll tell you what, I really appreciate that, Walther. That was very kind. Anyways, I'm going to hang it up. I'm just getting sweat on my glasses. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.